Hey guys, welcome to brionylowcode. In this tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through how to build a real estate app using FlutterFlow and then Supabase as our database. So we are going to be building it from scratch to deployment. So I'll prepare some presentation on what we are going to be working on. So let's slide into the presentation and then show you what we have for you so far. This is the presentation outline for the real estate app tutorial we are going to be working on. I would like to name the app HomeNest. So let's go ahead to FlutterFlow and then create a FlutterFlow account, because we are going to be starting this from scratch. And then we go to Supabase after FlutterFlow and then create Supabase database as well. Then continue. What do you want to build an app with? For maybe myself, then interested in So in the presentation, the app name is going to be HomeNest. So then start building. You can just keep this. So here is our app. We can go to some settings and then some theme. So let's go to typography and then icons. The typography, so the default typography is Intertype for primary font family, and then the secondary font family is Inter. I would like to change it to Roboto Slab. You can just explore the fonts. And then here is Roboto Slab. You can select it. Then the secondary font family as well. You can select the Roboto Slab. So then the color. The primary color is going to be this orange. You can just click it and then type the paste it here. So that's going to be our primary color. And then the ancient color is going to be the same thing as our primary color. We are going to reduce the transparency to, you can see the transparency is in 100%. We are going to reduce it to 30%. And then for the dark mode as well, we can give the primary color the same, and then the ancient color as well. This is the recent color we make use the other time. You can just select it. So that's going to be all for that for now. Now that we have set up our FlutterFlow, so I'll walk you guys through what we are going to be building in this tutorial. So we are going to be working on authentication, the onboarding page, sign up page, and then login page. We are going to be working on that, and then property listing, and then property listing and edit. As an agent, you are going to be able to list your property and then modify it. You can edit it, upload images, and then add the property feature. Then we are going to be working on the favorite and save. Then this app is going to have chat functionality. So we are going to integrate payments and then premium listing in this app. So we are going to implement the search functionality. You can filter your search based on location, and then any other features you want to add, you are going to be seeing it as you stay tuned. So the first page we are going to be creating as our authentication is the onboarding page. So let's go and then create the onboarding. And then I'm going to remove the app bar. I'll quickly create this page because of time, and I'll show you guys after I created the page. So stay tuned. So here's the onboarding page I created so far. There's nothing special about this page, so I just use a stack here. Then the page view. This is the first page view, and then the second page view, then the third page view, and then I add a button, sign up page. So this button is going to navigate us to the sign up. So let's go ahead and then create the sign in and then sign up page. So the first page I'm going to be creating here is the sign up. I'll delete this column and then delete the app bar. So what I'm going to be doing now is to create the sign up page. So here is the sign up page I've created so far. So I'm going to duplicate it and then duplicate my sign in page. So duplicate the page and then change the page name to sign in. So I'm going to change this text to welcome back. I can delete this, then change this text to login, then change this text to sign up. You should be already have an account. Sign in. So this text is going to navigate to the sign in page, and then the sign in. This text should navigate us to the sign up page. And then the onboarding page, this button should navigate us to the sign up page. Yeah, and then this text as well should navigate us to the sign in page. Good. So let's go ahead and set up our Supabase for this project. So I'm going to paste one of my email for this project and then enter the password. The next thing I will do now is to create a new organization. We can just call it real estate. Then create the organization. So I have created the organization. I'm going to name my project HomeNest. Then a strong password. I can generate the password and then leave the region as it is to create new project. So here in my FlutterFlow, I'll go to settings, then select Supabase. So I'm going to enable Supabase. Then my project, my API URL should be this. I'm going to copy the API URL and then paste it here, and then my anon key. I'm going to go to the API, then copy the anon key and then paste it here as well. So I will go to authentication, then enable authentication. The authentication I will prefer is going to be Supabase. The entry page is going to be the onboarding page, and then the login page should be the home page. Good. So let's go to the sign up page. Then on top of this button is going to create account. That's going to be Supabase. Supabase authentication, then create account, email. The email field is going to be the email field. The password field is going to be the password field. And then the confirm password field is going to be the confirm password field. So it's going to navigate us automatically to the home page. So in the sign in page as well, on top of this button is going to log us in, login. So we are going to, the host provider is email. The email field is going to be the email text field, and the password field is going to be the password text field. So it's going to navigate us automatically to the home page. So let's go ahead and then text our app and see how it works. So while our test mode is running, I'll quickly do some settings in my Supabase authentication. So user will need to confirm their email address before signing up for the first time. I will have to turn this off, then save the changes. So our test mode is ready. We'll get started. Then the email I can type in first. Then password. I just want to do 456. Then I'm going to sign up. So the sign up works. So let's go to the sign in as well. Then sign in our account. The sign-in works. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. Please do like, subscribe. So this is going to be the end of this video, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you.